Okay, so I'm measuring the current with my power bench supply. So we're at about 2.2 amps when all the LEDs are on RGB. Each of them seem to be rated at 20 milliamps. So let's see, that'll be 20 times 3 times 32, so 60. Echo, what is 60 multiplied by 32?
60 times 32 is 1,920.
Thanks.
Of course.
Okay, so 1,920 milliamps, so that's 1.92 amps. If you go, I guess, 25% above that, as a safety measure, 10% above that's not going to be enough. But if you go 25% above that, that should get us to range. That's about, let's see if I'm doing the math in my head. I think that's 2.4 amps. So, anyways, yeah, that's where we're at. So, okay, everything maxed out. We're probably hanging out at 2.4 amps at 5 volts, as we see right there. And let's see, so yeah, now to buck shift 12 volts down to 5 volts to with 2.4 amps. That should probably be enough for us to cover, but then we've still got to leave, factor in the Raspberry Pi. Maxing out on its amperage is probably at about 3 amps, 5 volts, and then let's see, how many amps do we have on the driver and the monitor? I think it's 3 amps, and then on the quarter buttons we're running at 1 amp, so a little bit of a ways to go. But I'm working towards streamlining and having, instead of just this jumble of plugs and wires, I'm trying to streamline all of this down to a single plug.